Today's video, I am going to teach you how to blur your background on Google Meet. To get started, open Google Meet and join the meeting you want to use. Now, move your mouse over your video feed. When you do this, you should see a menu bar or controls appear on the video itself. By hovering over the video, you tell the interface to display the tools you need for adjustments. Next, look at the bottom toolbar. On that toolbar, find the three dots icon, which is labeled as More Options. Click on those three dots to open an expanded menu. After you click the three dots, a menu panel will open. In that panel, you want to locate the option named Apply Visual Effects. Select that option. Once you have chosen Apply Visual Effects, you should see visual effect choices appear in a side panel or a list of options. Now, focus on the background blur controls. You will see an option that you can select to blur your background. Choose Slightly Blur Your Background or choose Blur Your Background, depending on what options are shown for your account or meeting view. At this point, you have completed the main change. Google Meet will apply the selected effect to your video feed, so your background should appear less distinct. If you chose Slightly Blur Your Background, the effect will be more subtle, which is useful when you want a natural look. If you chose Blur Your Background, the blur will be stronger, which is helpful when you want the background to be much harder to see. That covers everything you need to know.